Hi guys, today we are working on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. We will be cleaning out the MAF sensor. To do that, I will go ahead and disconnect the negative of the battery first. And the MAF sensor is located here. So I will disconnect the electrical connector, and then you can remove the sensor with T20. So we can start with the bottom one first. Okay. Alright. And then the top one. The reason why it's good to disconnect the battery is to avoid a check engine light when these things are disconnected. So this is the MAF sensor. So I will go ahead and start cleaning that. You can get a MAF sensor cleaner at AutoZone. This is where I got mine, and we just spray in there. I got mine at AutoZone, and okay, so just spray. Okay, and make sure you give it a good clean, and then just let it dry. Yeah, that's about it. And put it back after it's clean, of course, and then put the battery cable back, and that should take care of it. So if you have any question, please leave in the comment. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you. I'm gonna let it dry, and then for 5 minutes, and I will put it back. Thank you guys for watching.